So let's go, guys. It's third week already since we're planting our potatoes. It's a garden. The roses are ready for the next second round. The first batch are already starting to wilt. Here's the third week of our potato. Third week, guys, since the day we plant this garden bed. Check that. It's third week now, they're growing. And this one, the almost 2 months. Our garden, we don't eat yet. Some beans, but they're starting now. They have maybe next week. As you can see, that flower. Hi, this one is the, what's that? Chayote? Sayote. Here, shayot or shayot. From the vegetable, the seeds I keep and I plant directly here, so it grows like that. Oh, anyway, the last year, what happened, I still save it from the last year. I put inside the house and now I'm planting, and it's now still recovering. Ampalaya is finished already. I harvest everything because it's already, now they're starting now again. When I harvest the fruit, now she start again to grow taller up there. That ampalaya. No more fruit. I harvest everything. There is, but still little. The one is ready. And our celery. That's celery. Yeah, this is the other one, the last year chayote that I keep. You see in my last video for last year, it's crawling already up like that. And now I cut that one, it died, and then now it's surviving. I plant it there near the cucumber, but she did not grow very fast like the cucumber, so I transfer it here. Where's the sun? Anyway, that's it. This is the big leaves. Opo, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna put another pallet, this wood crate, so that she can climb more space. It mixed with the cucumber there, guys. And the blueberry are starting to ripe. Yesterday I harvest a lot, not a lot of raspberry, just good to eat for 2 people, and that's it. And the blueberry are, I hope next year it will work well because there's so many leaves now. Yeah. And the cucumber, May next week we can harvest. Yes, big already, guys. Check. Yee. In 3 days, and we hide the same. Yeah. Ooh. That's the cucumber. Oh, I did not see. I missed the flower of the upo. It's upo, white gourd. No more flower. No. That's it. I need to put more wood crate in there. And check our tomato. There are 4 feet already. This tomato. Check. Starting. And the beans at down, I put here. That's the beans. Okay, our onion. In this side, it's like that. Anyway, our garden are all mixed. You see, from there, near the tomato, the beans are big leaves, and here near the onions, from this, the beans are very little Check the onions, we can harvest this very soon. On harvesting time, October. But the one here from last year, big already. But I'm happy with the potato there. Oh, the cats of the neighbor make poops in there. And here's our carrots, guys. Just an update for today. It's Saturday and it's sunny. Some what's this, turnips? Yeah, there's already have a big one over there. So our bok choy, it's making seeds now. That's the seeds of the bok choy. The flower becomes like this. Oh, I have a lot of seeds for us. Check the carrots planting in this side. They are like 2 feet tall. 2 feet tall, better than the one near there in the house. Because here it's, and I have ready onion there. 1 onion. Because that one is planted from last year. And the garlic is here. Patate. This potato is, yeah, overwintered also from last year. And the broccoli are not yet doing. And see, that's my okra are very little. I don't know. Because you know, okra can grow taller than like 6 feet. Yeah, and this kali, yeah, my friend Tessa gave me 3 weeks ago. Yes, now they're surviving. I just plant it like that. I have no space. Hey, the butterfly, check. The butterfly will give more worms. She's beautiful, but she will give more worms to eat the leafy vegetable. And that's the cabbage. I know it will grow there. It will grow big. Like, check this one, broccoli. It will be more bigger than that. I just planted. It means they love it. And my friend gave me still very little. She grew there very fast in this garden. And here her sister broke cabbage, check, are still little. But I don't have any space anymore for this. That's why I just plant it here. I just don't want to throw. So the okra, that's the okra. My still surviving now. I plant here new bok choy. That's the new bok choy seeds I plant. Because all the bok choy, check, all the bok choy are flowering now. So the beans, check the beans here. These beans, because it's very heavy, so it's falling down. At least it's not all die, but it's dying. Some branch. Ay, my talong, guys. There's already bees visiting the flowers. Oh, check this talong, little talong. Hey. Yeah. And you know, the talong here, guys. Check, this is the branch of the talong. What's talong? Talong in Tagalog, you know, Bisaya. In English, it's eggplant, aubergine in French. This one, the branch, the shoots of the talong, I plant it here. So that your talong, your eggplant will have more fruits. If you don't remove the shoots, you know, it will not develop. The fruits will not develop. If there's a lot of shoots, that's why you need to remove. You just keep 2 branch like that. The talong, the shoots of the talong, it's growing there. I just remove, I cut, and I put just there. It's the same with the pepper and tomato. If you cut the branch of them, the tomato, branch of tomato, branch of bell pepper like that, it will grow. have a talong here. Where is it talong? It's eggplant, more bigger than here. So the beans are very heavy, so that's why it's getting down. Check here, this one, since I did not remove the shoots, lots of flower falling. So now, since I removed like 2 weeks ago, it develops. So another bok choy here. That's the little bok choy. And new beans. I plant another beans. That's it for today, guys. I will show you what's in the other side. Hey, the roses. Only that. We'll take raspberries later. These are raspberries. Here, in another place, like in my mother-in-law place, lots of raspberry already that are ripening. Here in our place, here in our house, it's very late. Check, all green, very little. Well, we'll always harvest very late. And some yellow raspberry here. Maybe it's very cold in our side, but we don't have much trees here than the neighbor. Yellow raspberries. And more flowers because there are bees. More flowers of raspberry. Yeah, more yellow than the red blue raspberries. Check. I plant here also. This is 1 month potato mix there near the raspberries, and that's the 3 weeks potato and the grapes over there. I'm happy this year I have our grapes of that. I thought this one is a squash, but it's a zucchini. Near the garlic. Soon I will have garlic. That's our, it's not a cabbage, it's broccoli.